Hello students, welcome to my channel. In my last session, we already have studied a Euler method. Now today we'll solve one numerical with the help of modified Euler method. Okay, so see the numerical. Using modified Euler method, solve the following differential equation dy by dx. Here function is different, which is 1 plus xy. Okay, initial value is given to us x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Okay, find the value of y at x equal to zero point 0.1 and x equal to zero point 0.2. So we have to solve the same numerical once for x equal to zero point 0.1 and next x equal to zero point 0.2. So up to what iteration we have to solve it? So error is given here. Allowed error is 0.001. So when 3-digit accuracy here we are expecting. When the 3-digit of the answer repeats, then we are going to stop. So this is we are going to solve for zero point 0.1 and again we are going to solve it for zero point 0.2 as well. So step size is given to us as zero point 0.1. Okay. So see here f of xy function is given to us which is 1 plus xy. X0 initial condition is given to us 0. At that time y is 1. So y0 is 1. Step size is given to us which is zero point 0.1. Okay. So let us find it out. So to find out y1, because in modified Euler method, we want to find out the function at x1, y1 also and function at x0, y0 also. So x0, y0 is known to us, but we are not knowing with the y1. So we have to find out y1 at corresponding given value of x1. So here given value of x1 is zero point 0.1. Okay. So at that time, what will be the value of y1? That also we are interested to find out. So we will find out y1 first. Okay, because we have to take the slope at two different points. So initially you have to use Euler method formula for finding out y1 and then we will apply modified Euler formula to limit the accuracy up to say 3-digit. Okay, we'll use the modified Euler method to find out the value of y at corresponding value of x equal to zero point 0.1 and zero point 0.2 separately. Okay, so let us find out y1. So here as per the formula yn plus 1 equal to yn plus hf xn yn, this is Euler's formula. So y1 will be equal to y0 plus hf x0 y0. Okay, we'll substitute the values. Y0 is given to us as 1. Here y0 is given to us as 1. Okay, plus h is given to us as zero point 0.1 in bracket. Function is 1 plus xy. So instead of xy, I will write x0 y0 because 0th value we are knowing with. So 1 plus x0 is 0, y0 is 1. So this is 0. So it will be 1.1. So it will be 1.1. So y1 is 1.1. This is the first step how we have to find out y1. And then we are going to apply the modified Euler's formula. So modified Euler formula is yn plus h by 2. So this 2 is averaging slope. So slope का जो नीचे 2 आता है ना अपना, ये first slope हो गया, ये second slope divided by 2 will be average. So ये दो बाहर लिया है. So it is h by 2 in bracket. Function at 0th value, function at first value. Okay. So this is the formula. So we will replace n by 0. So y0 plus h by 2 function with x0 y0 function with x1 y1. Okay. Now the function is 1 plus xy. So I have put here 1 plus xy. So here it is 0. So x0 y0. Here it is 1. So it will be 1 plus x1 y1. So y1 just now we have calculated 1.1. So that we are going to put here. So h is known to us, y0 is already given to us. So 1 plus 0.1 upon 2, 1 plus x0 y0 we already have found out which was coming as x0 y0. ये देखो यहाँ पे 0 into 1 is 0. 1 plus x0 y0 will be 1. Okay. So that we have made plus यहाँ पे 1 plus x1 y1. So ये 1 plus x1 is 0.1 and y1 is 1.1 we have found out. Okay. So we'll calculate this. It is coming as 1.1055. What will be the next x1? So h is 0.1. So 0 plus 0.1. So x value, next x value is going to be 0.1. We are interested to find it out at 0.1 itself. So what we are doing here, same formula we are using here. यहाँ पे x0 y0 ये, यहाँ पे x1 y1 हो गया. तो यही है only value of y we are updating. x1 is always 0.1 because step size is 0.1. But this y1 value at 0th iteration, this is y1 at 0th iteration, this is y1 at first iteration. Now we will find out y1 at the second iteration. Why we are going to second iteration? Because accuracy till 3 digits we want. Okay, यहाँ पे 1.1 है, यहाँ पे 1.1055 है, तो यहाँ पे accuracy 3 digit तक नहीं मिल रही है ना? So we have to go for the next iteration. यहाँ पे इसलिए हमने second iteration we are trying for. So यहाँ पे अगर values put किए तो वैल्यूज पुट किए 1 प्लस एच इज 0.1, 1 प्लस x0 y0 ये डाले हमने, x0 y0 तो हमको इनिशियल दिए वही डालेंगे हम, 1 प्लस x1 y1. सो ये y1 एट द फर्स्ट इटरेशन वी हैव टू कंसिडर. सो इट इज 1.1055. ये डाला तो हमारा आंसर आता है 1.10552. सो यहाँ पे देखो 1.105, यहाँ पे भी 1.105. सो एक्यूरेसी इज मैचिंग टिल द थ्री डिजिट्स एंड हेंस second iteration is the last iteration for this numerical. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ये हमारा खत्म हो जाता है numerical. Okay, तो here we have solved the numerical और अपना आंसर फिर 1.105 up to 3 decimal places correctly we can declare the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood modified Euler method. Thank you for watching.